8th standard students, let us start from page number 189. We have discussed that day the formula of cuboid. The formula of volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. But in the cube, all the three sides are equal. So the length, breadth and height, that means side we can say. So the volume of cube will be L into L into L, or B into B into B, or H into H into H. If from these three, any side, if the value of any side if you know, you can easily calculate. So in short, the volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. Try this. Find the volume of the following cubes. With a side 4 cm, that means volume of cube is equal to side into side into side, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64 cubic centimeter. With a side 1.5 meter. So if you want to calculate in centimeter, first this meter you will change into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.5 meter will be 150 centimeter. Or otherwise, if you want to calculate in this way, so 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5, and then before whatever answer you are getting, before 3 digits, you will put decimal and with unit cubic meter. Now do this. Arrange 64 cubes of equal size in as many ways as you can to form a cuboid. Find the surface area of each arrangement. Can solid shape of same volume have same surface area? This activity you will do at home. First, children, what you can do for this activity, you know, we have done this on page number 187. So length, breadth and height, these 3 things are given. So you can find the surface area. The formula of surface area is written. You know what is the formula of surface area of cuboid? Already we have done that day. Wait beta. See here. Cuboid. Surface area of cuboid is equal to 2LB plus BH plus HL. So this, by using this formula, you will write answer only here. Below, surface area SA equal to this, surface area equal to this, and then you will fill and then you will check. Now see here cylinder. We know that the volume of cuboid can be found by finding the product of area of the base and its height, that means length into breadth into height. Can we find the volume of cylinder in this way? Just like cuboid, cylinder has got a top and the base which are congruent, that means circles and parallel to each other. Its lateral surface is also perpendicular to the base. Lateral surface, that means round, curved, just like cuboid. So volume of cuboid, this means length into breadth into height. So volume of cylinder, that means area of base into height. So area of base, that means circle. So area of circle, that means pi r square into h, height is. So the formula of cylinder is pi r square h. Now try this. Find the volume of the following cylinder. Radius is given, height is given. Radius, so pi r square, direct I am calculating pi. The value of pi is this. R, that means 7 into 7, and age, that means 10. Cancel this 7 by this 7, and then 22 into 10, 220, and 220 into 7, 7 zeros are 7, 2s are 14, carry over 1, 15, and the answer will be cubic centimeter. Okay, now see here, height is given and direct area is given. See here, area is written here meter square. That means what you will do? Area of base into height. So area of base is 250 meter square and height is 2. So answer volume will be 500 cubic meter of this cylinder. Okay. See on the next page, volume and capacity. There is not much difference between these two words. Volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. That means in the height. Space, that means in the space whatever amount any object is covering, and we have to find its volume. So height will be definitely there. So volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object, and capacity refers to the quantity that the container holds. Suppose that in an empty pot 1 liter milk. So the capacity of that pot is 1 liter. Note, if a water tin holds 100 centimeter cube of water, then the capacity of the water tin is 100 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Capacity is also measured in terms of liters. Always capacity we measure in milliliter, liter, kiloliter. The relation between liters and centimeter cube is, it's very important, children. Please keep this thing in your mind. 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to, see here, if 1000 we are multiplying here by 1000, so 1000 we will multiply here also. So 1000 milliliter, that means 1 liter, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Thus 1 meter cube is equal to, so what we will do? We will change this 1 meter cube, 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, that means 100 into 100 into 100, because in 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So when you will multiply, you will get this number of zeros, that means 6 number of zeros. So 1000 liter, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Clear? And when we will solve the sum, along with I will explain. So this illustration you will solve yourself. Okay, now we are starting exercise 11.4. Now see first question of exercise 11.4. Given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area, and in which situation volume? To find how much it can hold, that means capacity, that means volume. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. Plaster it, that means surface. To find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. That means from the cylinder, how many smaller tanks we can fill. That means capacity. So volume. So in first volume, surface area, and then volume. Now see here, diameter of cylinder A is this and the height is this. Diameter of cylinder B is this and height is this. Radius is this. Diameter is this, sorry. Without doing any calculations, can you suggest whose volume is greater? I can't suggest. Definitely I'll go for calculation. Because it is in this way, broad, and it is height wise. So let's see what happened. But we can say diameter is greater than, so definitely the volume will be. But here the just height is just double of it. So let's see, we will calculate and then we will check. Verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Okay, so we will do check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. So for this we will calculate surface area of both the cylinder. for both the cylinders. Okay, let us start. Now see here, for cylinder A, diameter is 7 centimeter, then radius will be just a half. So R equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, height is 14 centimeter, then volume of cylinder A is equal to pi r square h, 22 by 7, 7 by 2 in place of R, 7 by 2 whole square because the square is there and into 14. So 22 by 7, 7 by 2, 7 by 2 you will write 2 times and then 14. 2 7s are 14, 7 cancel by 7 and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So left value 11 into 7 into 7. So 539 cubic centimeter is the volume of cylinder A. Now for cylinder B, you can see D equal to 14 centimeter, then R will be D by 2, 14 by 2, so 7 centimeter, and height is given 7 centimeter. Then volume of cylinder B is equal to pi r square h, 22 by 7 the value of pi. 7 square into h, 7 cancel by 7, so 22 into 7 into 7. That means you will get 1078 cubic centimeter. If you will multiply 539, that means cylinder, volume of cylinder A, you will get 1078. That means this volume of cylinder B is just a double of cylinder A. We can say that. When we calculated volume, we have seen diameter just double of the cylinder B, then cylinder A. So volume of cylinder B is just a double of cylinder A. Now surface area we are calculating. So cylinder, for cylinder A, D equal to 7 centimeter, then R equal to 7 by 2. You can write the formula in the bracket, R equal to D by 2. H equal to 14 centimeter. Then surface area of cylinder A is equal to 2 pi R plus H, 2. And value of pi, 22 by 7, and value of R, 7 by 2, in the bracket R plus H, 7 by 2 plus 14. Now 7 cancel by 7, 2 by 2, 22, and when you will take LCM, 2 will be LCM and 7 as it is, and 14 2s are 28. 28 plus 7, 35, and this 2. So 22 cancel by 2 11 times. So when you will multiply 11 into 35, you will get 385 square centimeter. Okay. Now for cylinder B, D equal to 14 centimeter, then R equal to 7 centimeter and H equal to 7 centimeter given for cylinder B. Now surface area of cylinder B is equal to 2 pi R in the bracket R plus H. So 2 pi, the value of pi 22 by 7, and R is 7 and R plus H 7 plus 7. So this 7 cancel by this 7, so 22 2s are 44 into 7 and 7 14, so we are getting 616 square centimeter. Now see here, the surface area of cylinder B is greater than the surface area of cylinder A. Not just double but greater than. But in the situation of volume, you can see there radius is 7 and height is just double. So diameter is 7, sorry, and radius is then 7 by 2 in the situation of cylinder A. And in the cylinder B, radius is 7, just a double, and height is just half of the cylinder A. In that situation, the volume of cylinder B is just a double of cylinder A. Okay, so you will write here in the statement form, volume of cylinder B and surface area is greater than the volume of cylinder A and surface area of cylinder A. Okay. Now the third question, find the height of cuboid whose base area is this and volume is this. That means volume is given, area of base is given, and we have to calculate height of the cuboid. Let us start. In third question, given area of the base of cuboid is equal to 180 centimeter square and volume 900 centimeter cube. Now we will use the formula of volume of cuboid is equal to area of base into height. We will not use length into breadth into height. Directly we will write volume of cuboid is equal to area of base into height. So volume we know 900, area of base 180, and height we have to calculate, or whatever we want to calculate we will keep left hand side. So 180 h equal to 900, so h equal to 900 upon 180, so 0 cancel by 0 and 18 5 is 90. So height h equal to 5 centimeters. So you will write height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. Now see, in the fourth question, a cuboid is of dimensions this, this and this. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So first we will write given a cuboid. In a cuboid, length equal to this, breadth equal to this, height equal to this. Then volume of cuboid is equal to whatever your answer you are getting, you will write in the cubic centimeter with unit cubic centimeter. Then you will write given the side of cube is 6 centimeter, then volume of cube is equal to s cube. So 6 into 6 into 6, whatever answer you are getting. Then number of cubes can be placed in the given cuboid is equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of cube. So volume of cuboid, whatever value you are getting, you will divide the volume of cube, you will get the answer. Okay, so fourth question you will do yourself. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is given and diameter of the base is this. Let us start. Now see children, volume of cylinder is given 1.54 meter cube and diameter of base 140 centimeter. Units are different. You can see I have changed diameter in meter. If you want to change volume in centimeter, you can change. Multiply by 100 into 100 into 100 3 times. Okay, or directly you can multiply 1 meter cube equal to 1 with 60 centimeter cube. You can change and you can solve by that method also. So diameter of base 140 centimeter, in 1 meter 100 centimeter is there, so by 100 I am dividing here, so 1.4 meter diameter I am getting. So r equal to 1.4 upon 2 because r equal to d by 2. So 2 sevens are 14 and before one digit decimal we will put. Now volume of cylinder is equal to formula pi r square h. Volume we know 1.54. The value of pi 22 by 7, r 0.7 square into h. Whatever value we want to calculate, we will change the side. 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7, 2 times we will write because square is written. H equal to 1.54. Now when we will cancel this decimal, so after decimal one digit you can see, so 7 upon 10. So next step will be, you can see 22 by 7 into 7 upon 10 into 7 upon 10, h equal to 154 upon 100. This 100 cancel by this 100. 10 tens are 100. Cancel. And 7 cancel by that 7. So 22 into 7, h is equal to 154. So when you will multiply 22 by 7, you will get 154. H equal to 154. H equal to 1 because when you will send in the denominator. So 154 ones are 154. So 1 meter. And meter you can change into centimeter. So height is h equal to 100 centimeter or 1 meter. So the height of cylinder is 1 meter or 100 centimeter.